Welcome back to Renate Roams. I'm Renate and I recently turned this Volkswagen Caddy into my tiny home on wheels to travel full-time around my homeland of Norway. But in today's episode, I made a massive 10-hour detour all the way to Swedish Lapland just to escape the endless rain covering the north. And of course to get a chance to see the midnight sun. This trip pushed me way out of my comfort zone and made me face my fears of doing things completely alone. I hope you enjoy this one.
So slippery! Oh my god.
If you didn't notice, I got a little bit sketched out. I can't believe I just did that. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I feel kind of lonely. I've been sad today. I have this uncomfortable feeling in my chest. I just feel a little bit out of place because I'm here alone. And don't get me wrong, like I got myself into this. I decided to travel in this van this summer. I've done this myself, you know. And I'm also trying to remember that feelings don't last. Maybe I'll feel better tomorrow. Maybe it's natural, maybe it's just a part of the process of adjusting to doing this. It's weird. I don't know, maybe it just feels bad right now. Yeah. It's another day from Swedish Lapland and I want to explore today. It's random how I end up in these places. I just look at Google Maps and seeing like pretty things, I guess, and then I just drive to it and then I see something prettier even further, so I just drive there. The plan today is to visit Europe's largest unregulated water rapid. And if you saw the video of me in Saltströmmen in Bodø, you know that I love water and like the power of nature, and so yeah, I'm really excited to see it. So we have a 40-minute drive ahead of us, which is perfect. I love driving. I feel like I'm doing something with my life. I'm going somewhere and I just really like it. I'm actually thinking of just staying the night here and see what this place looks like later tonight when there's not as many people. It's very magical. Well, I'm very easy to impress. But I just love nature and I love that places like this exist. I'm gonna try to get under this bridge. It's not as easy as I thought. I'm gonna try to find a spot all to myself for a little while. So I was planning on actually doing a hike today up a small peak, like a really small peak. But then I read that there are bears in this area. And I'm not used to having bears out in the woods. So this is this is better. Dam or something, I don't know. Oh yes, now we're talking. There's just something about being near a moving body of water for me, and I know that there's science to back this up. Apparently, when you find yourself next to a moving body of water, either it could be a river, it could be waves, the water releases negative ions in the air, and it does something to the body and the brain when you breathe that in. I think it helps to reset your nervous system, and honestly, I feel that. Like, for the last days, as you've seen, like my mood has been a little bit up and down, which is natural, I guess, when you travel for extended periods of time alone. But I just feel so much better now. Once I came here, I was like, I can just relax here. I can just stay here and I can just enjoy it. So yeah, if you find yourself unhappy, kind of depressed, I don't know, just go hang out by a river or near the ocean and see how we feel. Look at what the science says about being in nature and moving your body. It's a natural antidepressant. I hope that this channel can inspire you to spend more time outdoors. It really helps my mental health, and I truly believe that it will help for a lot of people, maybe everyone. And I also do realize that not everyone has access to nature where they live. So I suggest you like hang out in the park, just try to see something green at least once a day. You know what they say, touch grass. So I'm currently on my way to find a clear view of the sky so I can charge up my EcoFlow with my solar panel. And it's taking me on a journey. There are trees in the way that has been knocked over by wind. And yeah, I don't even know if I should be driving here, but it is a road on Google Maps, so I'm just trying to find a spot close to the river so I can chill out a little bit and cook some dinner. Dinner is served. I don't know if I'll be able to eat all of this, but I'll try. Where should I eat though? I feel like this part of my trip is pretty weird. I didn't think I was gonna be in Sweden for a week plus, but I'm not regretting it. Like, I've been checking the weather in northern Norway and it's so bad. It's been so bad. So At least I got some summer. I'm so relaxed here. I can hear the waterfall from here, and it's just so relaxing. I'm gonna make my way back there once people start to leave, I think. I just finished a run. Whew, god damn. I look. Okay. I'm not even gonna comment on the way I look. Anyways, I'm gonna go take a swim. Let's go for a swim. I can't seem to figure out where people go swimming because I could see them earlier. Is it here? Whoa. I don't know. Like in my head I was like, I'm gonna go swim, so I might as well just wear these shoes. That was the worst mistake. I almost tripped twice already, so don't do what I did. Oh, I think it's here. There's no one here. Oh my god. I love my life. Woo. Look at this. The water is so clear. It's kind of sketchy swimming here by myself, but it's so beautiful. I have to do it. I was just thinking that I'm not even gonna speak it into existence.
So slippery. Oh my god. That was so refreshing. Whew.
You guys ready? I'm taking you guys on a swim. I can't believe I get this place all to myself. Wow. And I'm so proud of myself for actually being in the water by myself. Like a couple years ago, I would not do that. But I think that's it for now. Okay. It's all good. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. If you didn't notice, I got a little bit sketched out. Okay. The reason being is that we're obviously in a canyon, and the chances of there being like a bunch of underwater caves around here, it's huge. And I've seen some scary movies, but I'm proud of myself. I did it. Like nothing bad's gonna happen. We don't live in a scary movie, but yeah. I can't believe I just did that. All my life I've been so scared of swimming places by myself because I think it's so sketchy to be the only person in the water. I think it stems from like the Harry Potter movie when Dumbledore and Harry goes to that underground lake kind of thing, and just some, yeah, or the mermaids or whatever. It just really scarred me during my childhood, and it's stuck throughout my entire life. And that's just a fear that is kind of dumb. It's very dumb, and it's kept me from doing a lot of stuff that I love to do. I love to swim. I love just being in water. Yeah, up until now I had to do that with other people because I was just too scared to do it by myself. And now I can do it by myself. And of course, like as you saw, like when I first went out, I was kind of scared. because then the thoughts, like as I was swimming, I was thinking of like underground monsters coming into the crevices of whatever is under here and like that pulling me down. And of course that's not gonna happen, but you never know. It's just a fear, and I have to face my fears, because my fears are prohibiting me from living the life that I want to live, because I feel so alive when I do stuff like this, and it's totally free. And yeah, face your fears, guys. It's so awesome when you do. I've had such a good day today. I have not even started my car today, and I don't think that's happened during this trip. I've been reorganizing the car and editing a video, so I haven't done anything until now. It feels so good. This is where I swam yesterday, but today I decided to go like even further down, like way past here. And I was all alone and like so scary, but I did it, and I'm proud of myself. I have no idea how I look right now, but I can't care about that. If I'm gonna have to care about how I speak, how I look, what clothes I wear, and if I got makeup on or not, and that's gonna like decide if I film or not, then I wouldn't have much footage. So I've just decided to be a little bit raw. Sometimes I wear makeup, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I'm in sweatpants, and other times I'm wearing normal clothes. It depends on the mood, really.